Hi, my name is Pooja and I work here as CPO in Ottobock Clinic, Mumbai.
Hi, I'm Swapnil. I have been an amputee since 2011. Receiving all the information at the clinic can get a little overwhelming as a new amputee. Here we are going to show you how to wear your below-knee prosthesis with a one-way valve and a knee sleeve step by step. To wear your below-knee prosthesis with one-way valve, you will have to do two things. First, donning your liner. To wear your liner, first turn it inside out. Place the base of the liner at the distal end of your residual limb, taking care not to trap any air between your liner and your skin. Then gently proceed to roll up your liner on your residual limb all the way up till it is again the right side out.
If you feel that some amount of air is trapped in between the liner and the skin, you may find it uncomfortable during walking with the prosthesis. In that case, what you need to do is take off your liner and wear it once again.
Once you have worn your liner on your residual limb, you can then proceed to wear your prosthesis. To wear your prosthesis, you will have to flex your knee at a 45-degree angle and gently insert it in your socket. Once your residual limb with the liner is inside your socket, you can gently stand and then proceed to pull the sleeve securing your prosthesis to your limb. You have now worn your below-knee prosthesis.
Make sure that the sleeve extends 5 cm from both ends, that is 5 cm below the socket and 5 cm above the liner measured from the back side of the socket.
To take off your below-knee prosthesis, simply roll over the upper edge of your knee sleeve and continue to slide it down gently while being in the sitting position. Make sure you leave your sleeve attached to your socket in the same position so you don't have to adjust its position every time you wear your prosthesis. Now gently slide out your residual limb out of your socket. Similarly, to take off your liner, gently roll over the upper edge of your liner and pull it down so that it slides out again.
Initially, all this might feel little tedious or cumbersome, but eventually you will get used to the process. Till then, we need to have little patience.